everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great today. If you are learning English from zero, don't worry. This lesson is very easy and very fun. If you want to study with me, you can find me on Preply and book a trial lesson there. I would love to help you. Now let's listen to a short conversation together. Listen carefully.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. By the way, I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm Allie.
Nice to meet you too. How old are you, Ali?
I'm 24 years old. And you?
I'm 26.
Where are you from?
I'm from Spain. What about you?
I'm from Turkey.
Ali, this is Emma. She is my friend.
Hi, Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm Emma.
Emma is 25 years old. She is from Spain too.
Are you a student or a teacher?
I'm a teacher.
Verb to be. Am is are. I am. I am Sara. You are Ali. She is Emma. He is Jack. We are happy. They are teachers, right? How are you? We use this to ask about feelings. How are you? I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm good. I'm wonderful. To talk about age, we say, I'm 32 years old, or I'm 32. She's 25. He's 75. Where are you from? We use this to talk about country. I'm from Spain. She's from America. He's from Italy. Easy, right? Are you a student or a teacher? I'm a teacher. Hi. Hello. How are you? I'm fine. Where are you from? I'm from Spain. From. Years old. I'm 32 years old. Teacher. Student. Friend. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and answer the questions. Great answers! If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and write your answers in the comments. See you in the next lessons.